everyone. Welcome to another adventure in TV land. Today's adventure, we went to McDonald's. They recently, just like a day ago, they released a new Happy Meal toy from the Marvels. So we're going to have like a short little unboxing here and see what we've gotten. So here is the box. The Marvels coming to theaters. We've got Ms. Marvel there, Captain Marvel, and Photon. Monica Rambeau. Monica Rambeau was actually, when I was reading comic books back in the day, she was Miss Marvel. Monica Rambeau was. Here she's a Photon. Now the side of the box, of course the back. McDonald's, your lame marketing, your lame promotion. You don't put anything on the back side anymore. This side, it shows some of the characters you have. You've got, Kree Supremor, Prince Yan, and Photon shows. I guess apparently you can also put these on your phone, and it does digital things. And then up here at the top, Nick Fury, Princess Carol, Marvel's Goose, and Captain Marvel. So let's see here, we've got the apple slices. The apple slices, they've got the Marvels marketing on it. Chicken nuggets, small fry, and we've got Nick Fury. All right, Nick Fury. Now we'll see. I wonder if the Nick Fury in this upcoming movie will be the real Nick Fury, or if it'll be the kind of the wimpy Nick Fury that you're in Secret Invasion that you're seeing right now. Okay, let's see. Check this out here. Oh, he's got his arm technique there. So there's a rotating on back. I guess he. Nick Fury. I'm Fury, man. Fury. So there we have it. Just kind of a short little unboxing, unraveling of the Marvel's Happy Meal from McDonald's. The movie doesn't come out now until November. It was originally supposed to come out in a few weeks, but they changed things around, so that's probably why it's out right now. But you've got Nick Fury from Marvel's. Aha! Yeah, the Marvels. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Fury says, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.